Subs 3 subscribers. Yes, subscribe. Yeah, look at the second floor. What are you doing?
Look
Me
at
and
this.
Saul decided to go give you a surprise. We wanna upload the video until I say so.
Yeah, look
But
at the. Oh, yeah,
what?
look at the second floor. I make a swimming
I
pool.
but
Huh?
okay. By the way, if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Because thank you for and once again thank you for 3 subscribers. Okay, what do you want here? Door. Slow. No. Door goes to go and my
Mine somewhat.
iron.
Why iron again?
Because we because in case we need to go cave again. I gotta make iron here.
Wait, I'm putting the animal. Oh, yeah, wait.
I'm coming. Everyone, come up.
Close the fence. Because the cow had escaped.
Last time.
Yes. Oh, leash. Okay.
Okay, everyone, toothbrush time. You gotta go toothpaste. Whoever wants, use your toothbrush. Snow,
What?
you should clean the sheep's teeth because his teeth is weird.
Okay.
Mr. Wonder Trader, you're not being invited. Get out of here. Okay, Mr. Wonder Trader, you've been invited. This is a dirt floor.
No.
But
This is a swimming pool.
that's okay. So I can give you a new house. I'll look. So I'll make
I'll
your.
make myself.
But it's easy peasy.
No, I will make myself.
Okay, so I built it so fast.
No, I will make myself instead.
So here's your iron stone pickaxe. Stone pickaxe. So
But not broken.
this time is I crafted. Here. No. Yes. Give it that. Give it that. Give it that. I will see the.
Okay, keep me back later.
Okay. Everyone, you forgot.
Mhm. So yeah,
Oh,
you can tell me or you want to take the weather or day if you want.
everything's good.
Oh, I will mine some coal first. Okay?
Um, I'll do this. The water's thirsty because of you guys. And guys, help us reach 5 subscribers.
Don't, no, not a refill.
I hope you watch this video.
Don't,
But
don't say it.
uh, but you want me to come? Okay, Mr. Water Trader, you've been invited to the party because it's the party. You, Papa, you are invited. You, you still, you go invited. Yes. So I invite the Water Trader.
Okay.
So
What?
Water Traders are afraid
What?
every time Water Villager can open the door, but Water Trader is a villager, so just cannot open the door.
That's weird. It's weird. That's a weird issue.
I can jump.
how to get uh minute. Wait.
Inside the Minecraft, the old thing. Sorry, guys.
Yeah. What's going on my storage again? Okay, I've run. I will post the sequel